Good morning, everyone. Today we're looking into a special session designed to kickstart your day with positivity and intent. Get ready to embrace a series of powerful affirmations that will set the tone for a fulfilling and joyful day. These affirmations are carefully chosen to resonate deeply, helping you align with your highest potentials and open up to the boundless opportunities each day brings. While we go through each affirmation, I encourage you to repeat them with me, feel their energy, and let them anchor deeply into your consciousness. This is your moment to transform the day ahead, so let's get started with these transformative statements and ensure our day is headed in the right direction. Today, I embrace my potential to be, do, and experience whatever I desire, and I am worthy of my dreams and open to receiving the abundance the universe offers. With every breath, I release the past and welcome fresh, positive energy. I trust in my ability to unlock the way to my own success and happiness. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to grow and improve. I am a creator of peace in my heart and in my surroundings. Today, I choose to walk through my day with grace, joy, and ease. I am committed to acting with compassion and understanding towards others. The strength I need is already within me. I harness it to live my best life. I celebrate every small victory along my journey today and every day. My mind is clear, focused, and capable of manifesting miracles. I am a magnet for positive relationships and enriching experiences. I allow love to fill my heart and guide all my actions today. Every situation is approached with wisdom, courage, and optimism. I am resilient, capable, and stronger than any challenge I might face. Today, I choose to radiate confidence, positivity, and kindness. I am a beacon of love and acceptance, drawing similar energies towards me. My path is carved towards greatness, and I follow it with dedication. I am surrounded by abundance, and I open my arms to welcome it all. I am a portrait of health and vitality, nourishing my body and mind every day. I am in control of my thoughts, feelings, and choices at all moments. I find joy in every moment and treasure the simple pleasures life offers. I am grounded in the experience of the present, which I shape with hope and optimism. Each day is filled with endless possibilities, and I am ready to explore them. I am at peace with my past and look forward to the future with excitement. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. Today, I will move through my world with a spirit of love and generosity. My spirit is unbreakable, and each day I grow stronger and more resilient. I trust myself and make decisions with confidence and wisdom. I am connected to the abundant flow of prosperity and participate with ease. I am continually refining myself to become better and achieve my dreams. I spread joy to those around me and embrace their positive energies in return. My heart is open to receiving endless love from myself and others. I walk through today with courage, knowing that I am more than enough. Every moment presents a new opportunity to express my best self, and I am at peace with who I am as a person and continually strive to grow. My life is a beautiful collection of moments and memories. I cherish each one. I am deeply fulfilled with who I am and what I have achieved. I am in perfect alignment with my life's purpose. I effortlessly attract everything I need for my highest good. I choose to rise above doubt and manifest my reality with confidence. I am a loving and caring person who is respected by others. My life is full of love and joy, which I share freely with others. I accept myself unconditionally and with kindness. I am a powerful channel of creativity and innovation. My thoughts create my reality, and I am the master of my thoughts. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. My business is growing, expanding, and thriving. Creative energy surges through me, leading to new and brilliant ideas. I acknowledge my own own self-worth. My confidence is soaring. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. Each day I am closer to finding the perfect job for me. I am courageous and I stand up for myself. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. Today I abandon my old habits and take up new, more positive ones. Many people look up to me and recognize my worth. I am admired. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I acknowledge my own self-worth. My self-confidence is rising. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am conquering my illness. I am defeating it steadily each day. My obstacles are moving out of my way. My path is carved towards greatness, and my fears of tomorrow are simply melting away. I wake up today with strength in my heart and clarity in my mind. My nature is divine. I am a spiritual being. My life is just beginning. I trust that I am on the right path. I am creatively inspired by the world around me. My mind is full of brilliant ideas. I put my energy into things that matter to me. I trust myself to make the right decision. I am becoming closer to my true self every day. I am grateful to have people in my life who love and respect me. Everything in my life is going according to plan. My body is healthy. My mind is brilliant. My soul is tranquil. I believe I can do anything, and each day is a gift, and I gratefully accept it. I can achieve greatness. Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good. I am the architect of my life. I build its foundation and choose its contents. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past and peacefully detach from them. A river of compassion washes away my anger and replaces it with love. I possess the qualities needed to be extremely successful. Creative energy surges through me and leads to new and brilliant ideas. Happiness is a choice. I base my happiness on my own accomplishments and the blessings I've been given. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. Today I abandon my old habits and take up new positive ones. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I acknowledge my own self-worth. My confidence is soaring. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. Today I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. My body is healthy. My mind is brilliant. My soul is at peace. I have been given endless talents which I begin to utilize today. I forgive myself and set myself free, and I believe I can be all that I want to be. I am the master of my fate and the captain of my destiny. My fears of tomorrow are melting away. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and will happen. My nature is divine. I am a spiritual being. My life is just beginning. I am at peace with my past and looking forward to the future. I hope these affirmations help you cultivate a mindset of abundance, resilience, and positivity as you navigate through your day. By repeating these affirmations regularly, you'll begin to notice a profound shift in your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. They are designed to empower you, uplift your spirit, and bring clarity and joy into your daily life. If you found value in today's session, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sharing these affirmations could be a wonderful way to spread positivity and help others start their day right, just as you are. So hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and keep those likes coming. Until next time, stay positive and empowered. Thank you for watching.